So today we're going to work on building a storage for my drills. Always having an issue finding them. They're in a case. I sat them somewhere, and I'd like them to be easily accessible. So we've all seen people doing it with PVC pipe, and that's what I'm going to do here. So I'll show you what I got going on and where we end up. You do good. You pick it up, put it on the table for me. Yeah, thank you. So I suppose the next step is figuring out how wide of a slot I need to cut in them. So I think I'm going to try to get about 1.5 to 1 3/4. I had to go find the elusive pencil.
Are you done?
Yeah, I was done cutting, buddy. Thanks for helping me grab them. Just going to use a short screw. I'm going to pre-drill this just ever so slightly, just enough to start through. Alright, they're not all the way down, they're just seated nicely, just enough to hold things in place so I can set one in each of these and just reasons like that. It doesn't quite fit in there. This way, I get a tax room. I'm gonna take out these screws. I'm gonna get 3 longer screws. Just like that.